You're watching Telecom TV's exclusive video coverage of the Gen 15 event from Dallas. And I'm joined now by Josh Goodell, who is VP Network on Demand at AT&T. Josh, thanks for talking with Telecom TV.
My pleasure.
Could I ask, first of all, what exactly is AT&T's Network on Demand?
So Network on Demand is a platform that we're building which exposes many of the technologies that AT&T has been using internally, technologies like software-defined networking and network function virtualization, to deliver a differentiated experience for our business customers.
And why have you done that?
Well, we think that there's value in those technologies in creating a truly on-demand experience. And so what we mean by on-demand is services that can be controlled by the customer, much more flexible, and can be delivered in near real time.
And how has take-up been so far? What's the response you're getting?
So the momentum in the market has been really impressive. And so we've got over 350 customers that have signed up. We really opened up in April of this year. And so it's been far surpassing our expectations.
How does this all fit then with AT&T's user-defined network cloud model?
So the user-defined network cloud model that we talk about within AT&T is really utilizing a lot of the same technology. So when we say things like software-defined networking or network function virtualization, we use those same capabilities internally within AT&T, whether it's to drive scalability in the network or to drive down the cost of delivering a service within the network. So they're very closely related because really all I'm doing with Network on Demand is exposing those same technologies and benefits to our business customers.
Right, so how does all this fit with the MEF's Carrier Ethernet 2.0 model?
I would say when I look at the 2.0 general guiding principles and what we're trying to deliver with Network on Demand, they align almost entirely. It's almost a one-to-one match in what we're trying to do with an on-demand automated network experience that's secure, reliable, and orchestrated. Those principles are shared with both what MEF is talking about and what we're talking about with Network on Demand.
AT&T's really progressive with its use of SDN. How far are you going to push SDN in the network?
You know, we've started with building a platform, and when I think about Network on Demand, it is much more of a platform than it is a service. And we've launched one service, which is our AT&T Switched Ethernet on Demand, and we're about to launch our second service, which is Managed Internet Service on Demand. And I expect we're just going to continue to add capabilities onto that platform. So we're just getting started, and we've seen great traction. I expect that we'll see more as we add more services to the platform.
Final question for you. We have this move towards open solutions within the network, but what does open actually mean?
Well, from my perspective, when I think about open, it's moving from a proprietary model and moving to a model where innovation can be done with multiple vendors, multiple providers. It's not necessarily controlled by any one entity. And we embrace that open framework. And as we think about solutions in the future, it's all about creating an ecosystem of multiple providers. And I'm excited about that because I think that's when you really start to open up an innovative cycle that we really haven't seen in the industry.
Josh, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.